Good day, Chairman, Vice Chairman of the Artificial Intelligence Committee of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. I am presenting before you a very small video pertaining to the smart automation for Tally to Excel in the prescribed form devised under various laws for preparation of final statement of accounts. The major role that I wish to bring it over here is about the compliance challenges that all chartered accountants face in financial statement preparation. In the state of Maharashtra, chartered accountants are mandated to prepare financial statements in accordance with the formats prescribed under various governing statutes. For instance, public trusts are required to follow the format specified under the Bombay Public Trust Act 1950, now being called as Maharashtra Public Trust Act. Similarly, under the Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act, financial statement must be drawn in the prescribed statutory formats. Public and private limited companies are bound by the provisions of the Companies Act 2013, which prescribe format under its schedules. For non-corporate entities, while the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has extended certain relaxation for the current year, the revised instruction mandates preparation of financial statements strictly in accordance with the prescribed formats. Insurance companies, cooperative and other banks, as well as statutory, central, state, private universities also require their financials to be prepared in specific statutory forms. Most of our clients prepare their accounts in Tally software, as we all are familiar with the said software. However, the said software does not have formats prescribed under various laws, and there comes the need to prepare final statement of account in Excel format. Given the large volume of transaction in such institutions, preparing final statements in Excel format poses several practical changes, such as changes made in the Excel sheet directly may have a mismatch of the trial balance or balance sheet. The first difficulty that is being faced is lack of automatic updates. Any changes made in the Tally do not automatically flow into Excel, making real-time synchronization impossible without manual intervention. Second important practical challenge is incomplete data transfer. Trial balance exported from Tally contain ledger names but not the group classifications, leading to manual mapping in Excel. Errors at this stage often result in mismatches and inconsistencies. The third practical challenge is time inefficiency. Preparation of final statements for large entities where transactions are voluminous, particularly income and expenditure account, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet, typically requires 2 to 3 working days, which is highly time consuming. The fourth practical challenge faced by the chartered accountants is absence of seamless integration. Ideally, Excel should be directly linked with Tally to allow automatic updates and greater efficiency. However, such linkage does not exist in manual preparation unless special technical efforts are undertaken. In the light of these challenges, there is a need for an effective solution which has become operative. The following proposal seeks to address the difficulties faced by chartered accountants across the profession. First step, Tally help. Second step, connectivity, then go to settings. Third step, the client server configuration. Fourth step will be both, and the fifth stage will be yes or no. The next stage that you have to carry it out is find out data. After data, you go to get data. After getting data, go to legacy wizards, Microsoft query, legal wizards from Microsoft query, then Tally 649000, then go to ledger, then name, you have to identify primary group, then parent one, then closing balance, and accordingly you have to move on to various categories. This is only one-time activity they have to do in the entire lifespan of that particular preparation of final statement of account. Once it is being done, from next year onward, there is no need to prepare these particular data once again.
This will solve the problem of all the chartered accountants to prepare a final balance sheet in a prescribed format. Thank you.